Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. In this video, in this today video, I will show you my MT4 auto trading bot results. This is really awesome. Okay, let's start. We will start the bot with the lot size uh, $150, and you can use this bot in cent account and in real account. In a standard account there is no difference. Okay, you can use in both accounts. If you have less capital, then you can use this in cent account. If you have $150 or $200, then you can use it in a standard account. There is no issue. Okay, but if you have like $20, $30, then you can use it in the cent account. Okay, let me show you the result here. We will start the board 1 December 2025 to 1 January 2026, because 1st January market is off. And let's see the results, and we will start the board. Okay, it will show you the results like this one. Okay, okay, sorry, it will open. Let me show you the results here. Okay, its results will be coming in few minutes. Okay, it will you have need to focus one thing here, very important one. It will not hold the trade for the long time. Okay, here you can see it will opening and closing the trade immediately. Okay, here you can see we start the board with $150, and let me show you. We start the board 1st December 2025, and here we could go at still 1st December 2025. Our account reached to $150 to $218. So let's complete this for the board for the 1 month, and let's see. And you have need to focus one thing, very important. Okay, it will open the trade, and with the trailing stop, it's trailing stop loss, it will immediately closing the trades. Okay, okay, here you can see buy trade, immediately close the trade here. Okay, buy trade, and you can see. So the best part of this bot is it will open positions and will close immediately when he will get some profit. Okay, there is a, and it is working with a proper stop loss and take profit. Okay, and not take profit, it will work with stop loss and trailing stop loss. Okay, buy stop, sell stop, and buy and close trade, each and everything here you can see. Okay, and first December, and still 1st December. Okay, at the end of 1st December, let's see, our account reached to, we start with $150, and now we have let's see, 3rd December. Let's see, 2nd December, still 2nd December. Okay, in 2 days, let's see, at the end of 2nd December, here we go, 2nd December, and here you can see. Okay, and our account reached to $546. Okay, and still it is going, and here you can see it is working with a proper stop loss and trailing stop loss. Okay, you can see stop loss, and you got the loss. Okay, here you can see your stop loss hit and you got the loss, and so on. Here stop loss and you got the loss, otherwise you are getting profit with the trailing stop loss. Okay, our account reached to here, let me show you, 1000 and $1039 in just uh, 9 days. Okay, $150 to $1039. Okay, that is really awesome. But hey, if you are working with the lot size zero point zero 0.01 or zero point zero 0.02 or zero point zero 0.01, okay, then obviously you do not need to change anything. But if you are working with the lot size 0.0 If you want to run the bot in cent account, okay, then you can put the lot size 0.02. Okay, that will be a good one. But if you want to put the lot size 0.01, then definitely in the cent account you will not get a very big profit. So you have need to put 0.02 if you want to use it in the cent account. Okay, but if you want to use this bot in standard account, then definitely you do not need to change anything. 0.01 is a very good lot size. Okay, so here you can see at the end of 9 December, 10 December, and still going some side, and we account reached to $1,261 in just 11 days. And let's see more. Let's complete the spot, and at the end of back testing we will discuss the more detail. You can see this is a forward video. Video was very lengthy, around you can say 2 hours lengthy. So I am going to forward the video so you can see the results, because the results is important one. We have need to concern about the result. At the end we must get the good results. So this is the forward video, and let's see at the end of 1 month how much this EA is giving us profit. Okay, let's find out, and hopefully you will get a better and more accurate results. Hello viewers, now our backtesting is complete. Now let's graph. This is the beautiful graph, very beautiful graph and result. Here we can see the results. Our initial balance was $150, and at the end our account reached to around $4,487. This is really awesome. For the 1 month testing, you can see, and if you go to the report, Winning percentage long. Here you can see the most important thing is the maximum drawdown. 0.86% maximum drawdown you can see, and relative drawdown 6.35%. Or you can see that is the important point. Okay, here you can see the whole thing. That is really awesome. Now if you need, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail, or any question or query. And if you need this EA, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. Let me show you my contact details here. These are my contact details. If you need, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail. Okay, and write one at the end if you want to contact me by Telegram, because there are some fake Telegram channels, so you need to be do not join any fake Telegram channel. Okay, any query or any question you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.